Hi guys, we'll present to you another view. Road, and beside the road, rice fields. On left and right portion of the roads. This is the concrete road. Rice fields. You see that this line in the center, the road, this is called center line. The road, and this is the center line of the road. Line in the center of the road. And concrete, the other name is also concrete pavement. The left pavement means the left side pavement. And the right pavement is the right side pavement. And this is called one block from here to here, other side. From this side to this side, called the one block.